Hey everybody, Chuck here, and thanks for stopping by our channel. Today Kelly and I have a little bit of a different video for you. Our family is going to be decorating a float for our little town's Christmas parade, so stay with us. So every year, our little town of Lake Panasoffkee has its annual Christmas parade. And my mother-in-law, who is 80 years old, she came to the family, she says, why don't we do a float for this year's parade? And you know, when your 80-year-old mother-in-law asks you to do something, you try your best to do it. So we've got all the families together, and we're fortunate enough that all of our families live here in this little town. So we have 4 generations that live here in Lake Panasoffkee. And that's going to be the theme of our float. 4 generations of Christmas in Lake Panasoffkee. So we're going to get it all decorated up. Kids will be on it throwing out candy, and I think we're going to have a great time. So we're going to get started on the decorating process, and we'll see how it all turns out. So stay with us. So my son Jonathan is going to be pulling the float in the parade tomorrow, be using his truck, and we're using his utility trailer. We built some little wood sides here on where we're going to hang our signs that say 4 generations of Christmas in Lake Panasoffkee. And then I think we're going to have some bales of hay, Christmas tree. We'll have probably a rocking chair over here where my mother-in-law can sit since she is the 1st generation. And then we'll have it right on down to our 4th generations, which are my grandkids. They'll be riding on the float and they'll be throwing out candy. So we're going to start getting this thing decorated. So we had our local sign shop put together these banners for us. And as you can see, it says 4 generations of Christmas in Lake Panasoffkee. And that's where all the families live here within 4 miles of each other. And the sign shop did a great job. Got all the, holly and Christmas looking details on it and so forth. Candy canes and Christmas bulbs. So I think that's going to look real nice. It'll be mounted on the side of the trailer here. My son Jonathan built a little wood frame for us to mount it on. So we're going to get these mounted on each side, and that'll have that part of it done. Well, good morning. It is the morning of our Christmas parade. Kelly's all dressed up nice and festive, got her 2nd generation shirt on. So we're getting ready to pull the float over to the staging area. We're going to finish decorating it there. So here we go. So this is our daughter Rebecca, and I wanted to show you the shirts that she made. She made one for each generation. She did the bleach design on them and then used the crick cut machine to do the numbers and letters, and then did the hot press to put them on. And she had to do 15 of these t-shirts. So I think she did a great job. So I want to thank her for putting these t-shirts together. All right, we've got my sister-in-law here finally. I'm going to help decorate. She does a good job on the tree.
That goes on Facebook, YouTube, I'm going to kill you.
It'll be on YouTube, don't worry about it. So anyway, we're trying to get everything together. We got our presents all wrapped up. Going to put them under the tree and get the tree decorated. We're going to get Kelly's mom and Kim's mom will sit there in the rocking chair. She is our 1st generation. So we're going to try to get this finished up. Parade should start in about an hour and 20 minutes. We should have it all ready. All right, we got more of the family here bringing the hay in to put in. So we have all the way down to our 4th generations. So we're going to finish getting it decorated. We should have a fun morning. All right, it's starting to come together. Just about getting it fully decorated. We're getting all the candy out that we're going to throw out to the kids that'll be alongside the road today. So I think we still have about 50 minutes before the parade starts, so we should be in really good shape and have it all completed. And to finish off our float, in the very back we got our sign that Jesus is the reason for the season. Well, we got it all put together. We were happy to be able to do this for Kelly's mom. She is our first generation that's lived here in Lake Panasoffkee, and so we were excited to be able to put this float together for her and sort of honor her. So in just a few more minutes, we're going to be heading out and lining up in the parade. So here we go. All right, we've got a bunch of floats that are already getting lined up, getting ready to move out. Looks like going to be a good participation this year. All right, we have started this parade. Floats are starting to pull out. Once all the dignitaries and the prince and princesses all get out, then the rest of us will pull out in line as well. So we have started the official Lake Panasoffkee Christmas Parade. All right, here we go. Y'all make sure you wave at people now. No, nobody to throw to yet, baby. She's excited. She wants to throw her candy out now. Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Got a big turnout today for a Christmas parade. A lot of folks lined along the road with their families. So, and it's a beautiful day. Here he is, our neighbor. But at least we got some cloud cover, so it's not extremely hot. Just a beautiful morning to do a Christmas parade. Well, we're probably about halfway through our parade route. We'll take a turn up here to the right and head down to the rec park when it's all said and done. But beautiful morning and a great turnout for a Christmas parade. Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas. Well, we've just about reached the end of the parade route. We're going to make a right-hand turn up here and go down to the rec park. I think there's some people lined up along there. We have thrown out a bunch of candy this morning. So we finished up the parade and we had a great time together as a family. And remember, as always, may your travels be safe, may your paths be lined with the beauty and splendor of God's creation, and may the people you meet along your way be blessed and encouraged because of you.